What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're creating a sketch illustration of Thor from Marvel Rivals. Welcome everyone and thanks for joining me today. For this lesson we'll need our sketch pad and a pencil. I'm going to start today's sketch off with this 0.7mm mechanical pencil with a 2B graphite stick, but you're welcome to use whatever you'd like. Now you want to begin by setting up a drawing with a series of guidelines. Let's start at the very top in the center. Just going to draw a line coming all the way down towards the bottom. Now let's move back to the center and draw another line going across from left to right. Now you want to use these two lines to help us create a large circle in the center of our page. So from that center point, let's move up to right about here. Mark off the top of our circle. Now I want to measure this distance from that center point down towards the bottom and do the same thing. Let's repeat that across this horizontal line. So measuring the distance from the center towards the left and then the right side. And now we're going to connect the center point of each mark with a curve to create this circle. So let's start with the top left. And the circle doesn't have to be perfect. We're just using this as a guide. Let's add another set of guidelines coming down the side of our circle. So I'm going to start with the left, coming all the way down towards the bottom and then back up. And we want to make sure that the gap between the left and the center is the same across the bottom. Now I'm going to add one more line going across the bottom of our circle. Now with our guidelines in place, let's start blocking out the facial features. I want to start with the bottom edge of that headband. Starting from here, I want to bend this up and then out towards the left and then the right side, going up towards the same height. Now I want to tuck the eyes in underneath. So on the left side, I'm going to step over. I'm just going to mark this off. Take that same distance from the center over towards the right. Let's draw in the eye. From this point, angle is up and out towards the side of our circle. And we're going to curve the eye, coming down and then up on the inside. From the center point, let's move down. Draw a circle for the nose. From the tip, step down again. Draw another line going all the way across. And this will be where we place the mouth. Step down again in the middle. Draw a short line for the lip. Then we'll come all the way down towards the bottom and mark off the chin. Now with the eye line, we're going to go all the way out to the outside line. Draw a straight angled line coming in across the cheeks. Line that up on the right. Now I'm going to angle this down and then in towards the chin, towards the very bottom. Let's go to the side of the nose. We're going to bend the mustache, going out and then down. Now I want to go back to that center line. We're just going to curve this down in the middle and then back up. In the center, angle is up and out toward the left and right, and then angle is back down and then out. Let's block out those wings across the side of the head. So we move up, angle is up and out towards the top, to right about there. Now from this point, we're just going to sketch across. So we line this up on the right side. Come down and in towards the same height. Now from the end, come straight down. And then from here, bend this down and then in. Let's add those ear covers on the side. From this point, curve this out and then in. Let's go back down towards this line along the side, angle this down and then in towards the bottom. Now we're going to add a slope across the shoulders, starting from this point, angle this down and out on either side. And we're going to bring the hair coming around the shoulders. Let's start underneath the wing, come down and out, and then just fade that back in. Now there's a smaller section of the wing that comes down. So let's start from the bottom, angle this down and out, go up and then out, and then angle this up and then in towards the outside of that ear cover. Now once we have a rough sketch in place, we're going to go back and clean this up by erasing some of these guidelines. Now once we finish cleaning up our drawing, we're going to use this rough sketch as a guide to help us layer on some more details and refine the shapes. Now I want to start with the bottom edge of that headband. Let's start right in the middle. Draw a short angle line going up and out. I'm going to start adding some layers across this detail. Let's go up and then out towards the side. And I'm just going to add a seam in the center, just going up about halfway. Let's layer this in. Going up and out. Across and then bend that down towards the side. Now I'm going to go in and add some shape to the eyes. Start with the eyelid. Just going to add a thick fold underneath the eyes. And then from here, just going to work our way down the side of the nose bridge, coming down. We'll detail out the nostrils. Spread this out and up the side. I'm just going to add some rough texture across the top of the mustache, from the nose going out and then down. And then from the mouth, I'm just going to pull that texture going up. Let's pull the mustache coming down the side. Then from the lip, I'm going to add some texture coming down the beard. Add those fins along the side of the head. I'm just going to close off the edge of the beard with a point in the center. Now I'm just going to brush the hair up and then out towards the sides. From the center, just going to add a little bit of texture in the middle, going up and then out. And then from the bottom, going up and then in. Now let's separate those wings across the side. I'm just going to add some texture around the hair, so I'm just going to separate the ends. Just really roughly, and just come across the shoulders. So we're just bending this around the jawline. You do a little bit of an overlap. And now I'm going to go back in with my 0.9mm pencil and add some contrast. So I'm going to start back at the beginning, across the edge of the headband. Also add a little bit of a bevel along the outside. Now we're going to switch to my 2mm pencil and start adding some shadows. Just going to start on the side of those flaps, just darkening out the side, and then fading that in towards a highlight. Also want to darken up that front bevel, starting along the bottom. We're also going to fade that up towards a highlight edge. Now, as we get closer to the end, we're just going to refine our textures and shadows, and always be sure to send our artwork, and that's pretty much it. There's a sketch illustration of Thor from Marvel Rivals. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week, where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.